living life, everyday, late at night, not okay, all I want.
Hello mga ka-foodie! Gagawa tayo ngayon ng isang dessert gamit ang orange. Napakasimple lang ito at napakadaling gawin. Kaya tara na magluto tayo.
Saving, I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try it.
Kudkurin lang natin yung balat ng isang orange. Pagkatapos ilagay natin sa isang bowl at ihalo natin yung 12 ounce na orange.
Get an x-ray, what's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want.
Pagkatapos nating salayin ng ating orange, magpainit tayo ng kawali sa mababang apoy lamang, saka natin ilagay yung ating orange.
So want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait.
Haluin lang natin ng konti. Pagkatapos dagdagan na natin siya ng asukal.
I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us.
Pagkahalo, lalagyan na natin siya ng cornstarch. Ito yung magsisilbing pampalapot sa ating dessert. Pagkalagay ng ating cornstarch, haluin lang siya ng haluin. Huwag na nating iwanan siya kasi madali na lang siyang masunog.
All I want, and I pray, all I need.
Ngayon, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to click subscribe, like and share na din.
In the better days, living life.
Pag ganyan na siya kalapot, wag na natin siyang iwanan. Halo-haloin na lang natin siya hanggang sa lumapot talaga siya.
Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray.
Pagkaluto, gagamit tayo ng wax paper para hindi dumikit. Saka natin siya ilalagay yung ating ginawang dessert. Pagkatapos nito, palamigin natin ng 2 oras, saka natin siya ihiwain para mas masarap.
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror. So foggy, but I've never seen clearer.
Medyo malagkit kasi siya kaya nag-struggle ako dyan, pero kayang-kaya natin yan gawin.
There's no risk if you don't try it anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next.
Napakasarap ito. Maganda ito pag dessert sa mga gatherings ninyo.
Hey, what's wrong with me? I just feel weight.
Pagkaraan ng 2 oras, kinuha ko na siya sa aking ref. Saka na natin siya hiwain.
Better days, I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change.
Hiwa lang natin siya ng cubes. Saka natin siya budburan ng asukal pagka-serve natin sa ating guests or sa ating mga pamilya.
Need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only
Hindi siya madudurog kasi sticky siya, so wag kayong mag-alala.
is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sunday.
O diba, tignan mo, napakasarap. Ganyan lang siya kasimpleng gawin. Napakabilis pati.
I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day.
Budburan lang natin siya ng asukal para mas maganda sa tignan at mas matamis pa lalo. Ngayon, kung nagustuhan mo yung aking video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share natin. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsuporta. At pagkatapos ilagay natin sa isang magandang lagayan bago natin siya i-serve. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.